Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we've got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change your notification sound of your Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for example, you want to change your notification sound of Snapchat. What you're going to do is, let's go ahead, open our settings option. Let's go ahead, find this option called notifications. Go ahead, find our particular Snapchat app, and what we're going to do is we can see all of the notifications that we have. Simply go ahead and snaps and chats, go ahead, tap on that, and now this will open this kind of interface. So if you want to change the sound of it, then we can see this notification sound option, right? Go ahead, tap on that, and for example, right now we are using this particular sound over here, which is, this is the particular sound that we are using, and this is by default given over here. So if you want to change it to something else, we can go ahead, choose from over here according to our need. So once we're done choosing, we can simply go back like that, and our notification sound will automatically change. So this is the way you can simply go ahead, change your notification. If I go back, I will be able to find all other notifications as well. I can go to this notification sound and change them according to my need. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.